Hello everyone, this is my enhancement number 7, and here is my HTML validator with no warnings or errors. This is my CSS validator and my wave validator of my update view, update account view, without errors, contrast errors, or alerts. And okay, first I'm going to show you. Here is my admin view with the link of update account information, and when I click this link, it goes to this action, act update action, and this action is in my controller. It's the case act update, and it calls the client update view. So this view. Okay, so then in the update view, we have the button of update information with an action of client update. And this action is this case client update, and we filter the data from the input. We check from existing email. Then if there is an error or the email exists, so it show the message, and in both cases, and it takes us to the update view. Okay. So then we have here a variable that is saved the return value of this function, client update function, that in a moment we're going to see in the accounts model, but it calls this function. So depends of the return of this function, we have the if statement, if else statement, showing the message if the information is updated successfully, or if not, we send that message. So then we call the get client info function, that it returns an array of this new information where it is in the controller too, and then we save this array of or this information in the session. And then we call the admin view. Okay, and then it ends this case. So then we have the update password form with the action of password update when we click the button. So the password update works similarly to the account update, but here we filter the input of the password, and we get the client ID. So we check the password, and if something is wrong, it shows the message and takes us to the client update view. Then we hash the password. Okay, we hash this password, and then we pass this hashed password as a parameter, and also the client ID to the change password function that it is in the accounts model too. But well, the return value of this function is saved in this variable password up, and depends of this return the value we have this message that it is updated, or if something is wrong, it show us a error message. So then we call the admin view. Okay. So we're going to see the accounts model functions. Sorry. I have here the client update when we pass all the new data from that form, the update form, based on the client ID. So we use a SQL statement, the update, and we update the table clients, and we use this information that we pass as parameters and based on the client ID. So we replace the placeholders with this new information, and yeah, we return the number of rows that change. It is, if it is 1, so it is updated successfully. Then we have here the get client info based on the client ID. So once that the information is updated, we get this new information based on the client ID, and we return this new information as array, the array client data. Okay, and then we have our change password function that we use the same SQL statement, update the client's table and set the client password based on the client ID. We replace the placeholders and yeah, return us a value that is necessary to our message and the update successful. Yeah. So okay, now I'm going to show you this this part. Okay, so here we're going to log in the admin client. It's level 3, so we can see the inventory management, when we can add or delete something or modify something in the inventory on the vehicle. Well, we have here the link for update account information. So when we click this, it takes us to the update account view. Here is the form with this information, the actual information of this user, and a form of the new password. Okay, so if I want to update this password, it appears this one. Okay, not validate the password, and this is please provide information for all empty fields. And okay, if I want to change this, I change it like superior user admin update password, and it says your password is updated. Okay, so if I want, for example, update this information, it says that email already exists. So maybe if we change this like administrator. Okay. Maybe here we use all to the administrator. Okay, so the first name administrator and the email also is administrator. So we update, and it says your information is updated. So if I log out, okay, I'm trying to do the same I know, sorry, I put here admin. Okay, so we log in successfully with the new information updated. Okay, and I think this is all from the enhancement, I hope. So thank you so much for your attention. Sorry, something else is the responsive view. So here is the responsive when I change the size of the screen. Sorry. Oh. So yeah. Yeah, so it's all. So thank you so much and see you maybe another day. Bye bye.